Hi everyone, my name is Ricky Shah and welcome to my course Website Creation for Beginners. Let's get started. Today we will talk about links in HTML. A link in HTML can be added by using the anchor tag. Well, how does it look like? Let's take a look at this sample code here. The entire code is similar to the code that we have been using till now. The only difference here is an anchor tag. An anchor tag starts with a space href equal to, and then within quotations we have the actual link of the web page or the website, and then we close the opening anchor tag and then we enter a text. Now this text, if somebody clicks on this text, they will be taken to this particular link, and after this we close the anchor tag by /a. Well, instead of text we can also put this link on an image as well. Well, our anchor tag has a starting tag, after that there's a link text, and then there's a closing tag. A link tag in HTML is known as anchor tag because it starts with a. It anchors to or links to another web page or web document. Now let's go ahead and do this practically and try to understand. Well, you could write the sample code. However, I will recommend going to my sample code page, wikisha.me/sample-html-code. Go to this page and just copy the sample code. This will make our life easy. So I've pasted the sample code here. Let's change the title, or let's make it as links in HTML. Now on the body, let's give it some content. Let's say visit my website. Let's save it. On the desktop, we had created a folder HTML course. We'll save it in this particular folder. Let's save it as links-html.html. We'll go to this folder. We'll try to open this using a web browser. Alright, so take a look. Here on the left, right now we have a text which says visit my website, which I had written here in the body section. Now let's go ahead and add anchor tags to it. So we'll start with a and then href equals to, and then within quotations we'll type a website. So I'm just linking this text to my website. If you want, you can link it to any other website or any other link of your choice. For example, if you're creating a CV or if you're creating a page for yourself, you can link it to your LinkedIn page, or you can link it to your Facebook page. Well, so this is the starting or the opening of anchor tag, and then the actual text where I want the hyperlink to be present, and then I'll close the anchor tag by /a. Let's save it and refresh the page on the left. Check this out. Right now it is underlined and there's a hyperlink present here. If I click here, it will take me to my website. Perfect. So this is how our anchor tag works in HTML. Now let's open the page again. However, I can see that this particular text is too small and it does not look good. So here for the text I can also use other formatters like h1. H1 has to be closed by /h1. Look at this. Alright, so we are using a h1 tag and we've put a hyperlink for h1 tag. Now similar to a link text, we can also create an image and put a hyperlink for the image. So what I'll have to do is use the same anchor tag, and then within the anchor tag, instead of the text here, we can use the image code or the image tag in HTML. So just write down image src and then put in the path of the image. Well, the image yesterday, it was saved under, okay, so it's not saved on the same folder. Within the folder where the HTML file is present, there's another folder called as images, and then there's the image, and the name of the image is school-image.jpg. Let's enter that out. Okay, so this folder was images. Let's save it as images-school images/school-image.jpg. Now let's refresh this. Okay, look at the image. The image is also here. If I click on the image, that should also take me to my website. Well, so that's it. This is how you use the anchor tag, or this is how you use the links in HTML using an anchor tag. Well, that's all for now. See you all tomorrow in a new video. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel. Take care. Bye bye.